Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is the detailed video how to connect two objects properly. So let's have a scenario. Let's suppose we want to create some kind of pipes out of these two objects. So it's quite easy. So first of all, I'll do Control Z so we can remove it. Then select your objects. Okay. So once we select the objects, now what I'll do, I go to the X-ray mode by pressing Option Z. I'm not sure what's the shortcut in Windows. Maybe it's Alt Z, I think. Now we need to select all these vertices and these vertices because we want to connect it. Now press Ctrl E and select the bridge edge loops, and here you can see these are connected, but it's not smooth like the piping system. For that we need to introduce more cuts here, so increase the number of cuts. On the bottom left side you'll get all these options. Increase the number of cuts. I'll remove the X-ray mode by pressing Alt Z and Option Z once again. Here you can see it's like really good. Now the higher the number of cuts, the higher the chances are it will be more smoother. Okay, and for better smoothness you can also play with the smooth value. Okay, so that is very useful. You can also play with the twist value if you wanted to, play with some twistiness, blah blah blah. So yeah, this is how you basically form a pipe. So it's looking really good. But what if you have like three components? Can you basically link those also? So let's try it out. I'll select these edges or vertices, these also. Once again I'll press Ctrl E, bridges, and here you can see it doesn't look good at all. The reason was quite simple, because the positioning is not that correct here. So we need to play with this. So what we have to do here in these kind of scenarios, we have to play with this certain object. With this one we have to play actually properly. So I'll just delete it properly like this. I can delete it. Okay, till here I can delete it. I think delete it. Now let's suppose I wanted to have something like this. I'll select these bottom vertices, Shift D so I can duplicate it, and here I'll give it a proper positioning on the top. And now what I have to do, I have to select these vertices. So Shift and Alt you can press, and same goes here. I need to select this one, and now once again Control E, bridge the loops, and number of cuts need to be increased, smoothness, and here you can see we are able to form a pipe. So one thing we have learned here is that still in this area you can see some kind of issue. So by doing this scenario we are able to learn that we need to make it proper. The positioning should be proper. That's how you'll be like able to form the objects properly. Yeah, that's all. That's how you do it basically. And there is one more way to create pipes. So that's by a path. Press Shift A, and from Shift A you'll be able to add a curve. Let's add this path line here. So now we have this path line here. I'll press Tab. I can see the pivots. I'll just exclude this like this. Here we go. So I'm able to form this kind of shape. Here you can see this kind of shape I'm able to form, but it doesn't look like a pipe. So to make it like a pipe, it's quite easy. Now select this shape, whatever pipe shape you have created, select it and go to this option, the data object properties. Inside here, go to the geometry. In geometry, you'll be able to see bevel. Inside bevel, you have round. Increase the depth, and that's it. That's all. By increasing the resolution, you'll be able to smooth it out. Yeah, that's all. That's how you basically do it. It's quite easy, isn't it? Thanks for watching.